What are we making today, Gabby?
I'll tell you in a minute, G baby. But meanwhile, hey, hey, welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Baked boneless chicken thighs are on the menu today. So 4 ingredients: the chicken, a seasoned salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. If you want to use some other seasonings on here, that is absolutely fine. Now I'm not gonna give you exact measurements on here. You're gonna sprinkle both sides of your chicken. You're gonna sprinkle it generously. Just don't over salt it. These are gonna go into a freezer bag overnight, or like 2 to 4 hours if you want to marinate them a little bit before you cook them. Put a little bit of oil in here with it, olive oil or some kind of other oil with it. I'm going to use olive oil here, so get yourself a sheet pan, a cookie sheet, whatever you call it, but get yourself a flat pan and put aluminum foil over it and some oil. If you have one that's non-stick already, then of course you don't have to cover it with the aluminum foil. But for me, for easy cleanup, I'm going to use that foil, all right? So put your oil on it, then you're going to put your chicken thighs on it, and then once you do that, you're going to put these in the oven. So you're going to do a couple more things coming up, as you're going to see. I'm going to put a little parsley on it, then some more oil, then it's going to go into the oven. But what's going to happen is, if you're going to put it on 350, then you're going to put these in the oven for anywhere between 30 to 40 minutes. But if you want to put it on 400, then it's going to be anywhere from 20 to 30 or 35 minutes. Obviously, after the shorter amount of time, if you have a thermometer, then you're going to check your chicken to make sure it's at the correct temperature. But if you don't, then you can pierce it with a fork, or you can cut the middle a little bit like with a knife. If the juices run clear, your thighs are ready. If it runs a little pink or a little red, then you want to put these back in the oven for just a little while longer. So you can see, very simple, very easy, very quick dish. So you'll thank me later for it. Trust me on that. Now, obviously, if you do these with a bone in, then the bone imparts a little bit more flavor. So that's why I let these marinate for just a little bit longer. All right, if you haven't done so already, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, so you'll be one of the first ones to know when I put up a new video, which will be very often now. So, okay, as I said, I'm going to sprinkle these with just a little bit of parsley. Don't overdo it. Don't have to be green like a Christmas tree, y'all. Just put a little bit of parsley on there, and then you're going to spray it or sprinkle it or brush it with like a pastry brush. You're going to brush a little bit more oil on it. And these are going to go into the oven uncovered. If you choose to cover them, I'm not going to tell you not to do it. It's your chicken. You know what I always say, your kitchen, your rules, right? Right. So I'm going to put mine in uncovered. All right, so now what I'm going to do is, we're done with this. This is going to go in the oven at the times I specified. I'm going to tell you, just like a few sides you could use, mix or match them, put them together, do 2 or 3 of these sweet potatoes. Obviously, pretty inexpensive, but so good. Potato salad, same thing. Pretty inexpensive, but hey, it's a nice, cool, refreshing side. Corn, okra, and tomatoes. You can leave the shrimp out since this is going with chicken. Macaroni pies. If you want to do a large pan of macaroni, you can do these. All of these recipes are right up on my channel. Green beans with smoked turkey and red potatoes. Fried rice. I got shrimp right there. You don't have to. You can do a plain fried rice. So good. Or of your choice, cornbread dressing, of course. Always a winner. Cornbread. Go with any of that. Once again, I say inexpensive. Biscuits, inexpensive as well. These are done in the air fryer. So easy, so good. Baked spaghetti, you can leave the meat out. Easy. And just do sauce, cheese, and the pasta, of course. Collard greens with smoked turkey. This is our adult drink for the day, a lemon drop. Yes, a lemon drop, so good. For the kiddos, you can do a Kool-Aid slushie or even a lemonade slushie. So if the kids are like my grandbaby, he always wants the same thing I have, so lemonade slushie will do. All right, so these are the thighs. Once they're done, they come out of the oven. Look, they look so good. Hey, y'all better go make these. As usual, it's been a blast. Thanks for spending time with me in my kitchen. Hit that like and that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you'll know right away when I put a new video up.